And no matter what other people be talking about, you should be doing this, you should be doing this. Just because you don't say everything you doing, you don't know what I'm doing. Because I ain't the person to all. Don't get me wrong, I do some shit for you to see because I want you. But some stuff you don't know. They don't know when people DM me, say, Trap, bro, like, I'm missing my rent, here with the rent papers. And then I get on the phone with the person, we call the landlord, and I done sent the $400. They don't know that. They don't know when I'm on my tour and I'm giving the little kid $500 because they told me about some stocks and the lady DM me and she don't think I'm gonna do it for real and we give it to, they don't know that. But I don't care. You feel me? They don't know we do stock market in the streets. I fly my whole team out. We did it for free. We ain't asking people to buy another thing. They don't know we was doing toy drives. You know what I'm saying? They don't know that. They don't know we sent a check to the prisons. They don't know that. So you give. You give to people. You give to people because I was reading this book one time, bro, and the book said that the number one way to get fulfillment is to give. Like, people get this money and they fall in love with the money. But they forget, dog, that it ain't your money. It ain't your money. That's like I told you, like, I'll never miss a play because all the plays got my name on it. Yeah. Nobody can get them plays but me. You feel me? So, oh, Trap, man, why you missed this play? No, I didn't. That play ain't have my name on it. It wasn't for me. But the same thing goes with money. I feel like it ain't my money. It's a reason. The money has purpose to it. And for me, it's one of the purposes of the money is to 100% give to God. Like, I don't care what nobody believe in. I believe. My grandmother, I watched her go to church, and I don't care what your beliefs is. Even in Islam, it's a thing called zakat, where you give. It could be money, it could be time, whatever. So people be like, you donate your money to the church. No, this is a establishment that is established to help do God's will. I'm not giving to the man or the woman. I'm giving to the church. God knows my intentions. So whatever happens after that, it don't got nothing to do with me.
But it will end up where it's supposed to be anyway. So
It's gonna go where it's supposed to go at anyway, fam. My intentions was good. The next thing what you do with that money after you give God, the first thing you do is give it to God. The next thing you do, take care of your family. First, your kids. I take care of my daughter, bro. My daughter live a different type of life when she rocking with me. And it's okay. After that, bro, you take care of yourself. Now, mind you, I said God and my family before me. You feel me? That's important. God first, because without God, I don't even be in this situation. My family is like my daughter, my mama, you know what I'm saying? Somebody that's real close to me. But my daughter and my mama for sure take care of my family. Then I got to take care of myself. And that don't necessarily mean like buying stuff, right? Today I went and got the IV. I went and got the NAD shot. I went and got the B complex shot. Making sure internally I'm right. You know what I'm saying? Going to get my checkups at the doctor. You know what I'm saying? Grooming myself, right? And then later on, make sure I got the right gym memberships. Whatever taking care of yourself look like, right? That's number 3. Then number 4, bro, is giving back to people. You gotta give back. You gotta give back. And believe me, to me, God is different than giving back to people. It's 2 different things. All right, you give back to God because you gotta give God. Because God knows if I can trust you with this and you still do what's necessary, then I can trust you with a lot. And I always want God to know I can trust Trap. You know what I'm saying? I can trust Trap. He gonna grow the money. He gonna make the money. He gonna give me what I do and he gonna give back to my people. You feel me? And no matter what other people be talking about, you should be doing this. You should be doing this. Just because you don't say everything you doing, you don't know what I'm doing. Because I ain't the person to all. Don't get me wrong. I do some shit for you to see because I want you. But some stuff you don't know. They don't know when people DM me, say, Trap, bro, like, I'm missing my rent. Here with the rent papers. And then I get on the phone with the person. We call the landlord. And I done sent the $400. They don't know that. They don't know when I'm on my tour and I'm giving the little kid $500 because they told me about some stocks and the lady DM me and she don't think I'm going to do it for real. And we give it to, they don't know that. but I don't care. You feel me? They don't know we do stock market in the streets. I fly my whole team out. We did it for free. We ain't asking people to buy not a thing. They don't know we was doing toy drives. You know what I'm saying? They don't know that. They don't know we sent a check to the prisons. They don't know that. So you give. You give to people. You give to people because I was reading this book one time, bro, and the book said that the number one way to get fulfillment is to give. The number one way to get fulfillment. And I thought about that. And I thought about how good you feel when you do a good deed. You feel me? Bro, when you do a good deed, you feel like, damn, I just did. You feel me? Bro, you feel better when you do fun. I don't know if it's everybody, but I feel better when I do something for somebody else than I do something for myself. Because I feel like I went out of my way to do that for them. I feel like for me, it's part of the routine. Right? You get a good haircut, man, that's dope. You buy 2 people and get their haircut, you like, damn, I got 2 people haircut, dog, that's crazy. Damn, I feel good. I buy me something to eat cool. I tell the people, look, take the extra 50 and get it to the people behind me. I feel a whole lot better. All right, bro, so you give God his, you take care of your family, you take care of yourself, and then you give. When you give, bro, them 4 things right there, bro, that's going to change your life. And I think those 4 things is what God, whatever you believe in, but for me, I feel like is letting God know every day that I trust myself, that he could trust me, that God can trust me with different amounts of money. Yep, I'm going to blow some money sometime. I'm going to have some fun sometime, bro. I'm still a nigga. I do nigga stuff sometimes. But for the most part, bro, I'm going to do that's my things right there. God, my family, me, give. That's my routine. And that's why I don't even feel a certain way about losing money. Because I know it's going to come back to me. Because the money I lost went somewhere. That was my last. And here's what people will say. Well, you can say that now because you where you are financially. Bro, I ain't just adapt this mentality. That's the crazy part. I was like that in the street. Here's what people don't know, bro. And it might don't make sense. But dudes in the street, when I growing up, they was doing more giving than preachers, dog. The dudes in the street who I grew up watching, they did more giving than preachers. This ain't nothing against no preacher or nothing. But that's who I saw giving the most. They was buying groceries. They was buying school clothes. They was buying tennis. They was paying people rent in the hood who didn't have the rent to pay. You feel me? They was buying and they was helping pay for funerals. Before GoFundMe. When dudes got passed away, they was helping dudes' mama pay the bills and stuff. Man, dude just got killed in the streets. And they ain't had to do that. Look, Miss Shirley. All right, Miss Mabel, I got you. Miss Darlene, I'm going to take care of you. Don't worry about it. Might don't do it forever, but a couple months, I got you. They taking care of dudes, little kids and stuff. And you people like, well, he the reason. No. I ain't got to do that. So I watch dudes in the street do that. I watch dudes in the street. Man, before we even did some stuff, say, God, protect me. Right here, I know what I'm doing ain't right. Now, it might sound wrong to people, and I get it. It is what it is. But dudes in the street was the ones who I saw giving, dog. And you could be like, well, you supposed to give because you was poisoning the community and all that, right? What Uncle Sam gave you, and he taking your money from you every week? What he gave you? What he giving you? What the medical industry giving you, and they putting you on the dope? And what the FDA giving you, and they making you sick? They ain't giving you nothing. They ain't giving you nothing. They getting you sick intentionally. They putting you on the dope intentionally. So don't tell me about what you supposed to do, because they killing us white, black, brown. They don't care. Die. Take the pills. So don't tell me what they supposed to be doing. So I seen dudes in the street do that, bro. I seen some of my homies be like, look, man, I ain't gonna go to church, but go on put them $1,000 in tithe for me. You know what I'm saying? I come up from under that era of people. Boy, you need to come. Look, I ain't going to all that church, but check this out. Pay my tithes and your tithe. You know what I'm saying?
See that?
That's the era I come from, B. That's what I know from dudes doing.
I've seen that firsthand from my cousin.
You feel me? I'm talking about hitters. Bodies. Graveyards under their belt. I ain't going to people church, man. But go on, take this from me. Go on, pray for me. Put that in me. You know what I'm saying? What happens when people don't adapt it to that type of lifestyle and that type of, you know what I'm saying, bro? We all still trying to find some sense of normalcy in what we doing. We live in a world where everybody won't judge everybody. Nobody act like they got skeletons. Nobody act like everybody just living free and clear. Everybody living a perfect life. Ain't nothing wrong with nobody life. Everybody perfect. So every time somebody make a mistake or somebody doing something you don't agree, you willing to judge it. When you ask me, Trap, what you think about this, man? I don't know. That ain't my life. That ain't none of my business, fam. I don't know. But I know this. If a man is right with God, because God say God always forgive you. But man always trying to make right with God. Man take care of his family. Man take care of himself. Man give back, bro. He all right with me. Because I believe that's how you become, that's a form of wealth. We look at wealth as a dollar amount when necessarily it's the whole construct of what our lives consist of. You know what I'm saying? And I think if we can, for me, bro, that's my life, dog. This ain't my money, dog. This ain't my money. Because I only got a limited time here. I don't got that B. I don't know how long I got here. And here's what we do know, bro. Every day that we live is a day closer to the grave. Every day we live, bro, is a day closer to the grave. Some people get extended days, some people don't. And I just want to make sure, bro, when it's my time, I did the right thing with the money. When God look at me like, all right, Leon Howard, what's up? Let's see. Okay, I see the attempt murder. I see the armed robbery. You know, I see the other stuff. I see the lying. I see the, you was a hot in the ass. I see it. But let me see this, right? Oh, you was respectful. You prayed to me. You took care of your mama. You took care of your daughter. You looked out for people. You did good business with people. You always had right intentions. You ain't mess over nobody. You stewarded the money that I gave you properly. Now you done did some crazy stuff here. You buying bottles in the club. What you doing buying bottles in the club? What you spend $3,000 on strippers for, boy? Oh, but at the same time, you paid $70,000 in bills for single parents. You did this for people that come from jail where you come from. You helped this church out. You did this. You did this in my name. You did this in my name. Oh, damn. You know what I'm saying? I want my good to outweigh my bad, bro. The only perfect person ever walked this ground was Jesus Christ, bro. It's the only perfect person ever walked this ground that I know of, that I heard of. So for me, that's what I want to do with this money I got, bro. I want to expose my niggas like B to some different shit. That's why I like when he be like, okay, let me put this rich nigga shit on my list too, Trap. I got you for that. I want to expose my dogs, niggas I rock with. I want to expose them to shit because, bro, this is my first time ever having this type of money. I ain't like most people where they be like, yeah, I've been like this. Not me, dog. I ain't come from that, dog. My mom sold dope. My grandmother went to prison for fraud, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? My mama sold dope. My grandma went to prison for fraud, bro. I went to prison for attempt murder, bro. Armed robbery. Bro, I stopped that shit with me. Like, no, baby girl. Here's a different type of exposure. Here's a different type of, because what happens is, bro, B, you was in New Orleans with me this week, bro. Bro, check this out. 99.9% of the people down there got low exposure. All they got, you know what their life is, my nigga, in New Orleans, nigga? Second lines, DJs, Mardi Gras. Take a trip to Houston, take a trip to Atlanta. might take a trip to New York. Very few go out the country. And if we talking out the country past Puerto Rico, nigga, we talking something serious. You got blessed. You feel me? It's the first time, I'm 41 years old. It's the first time in my life where a dope dealer, a killer, a rapper ain't the biggest representation in New Orleans. The first time in my life. Because you got people like Larry, you got people like Super, you got people like Judy, you got people like Brooke, you got people like Black, some other people that I don't really know of, but these because they big on social media. You got people like myself. I'm 41 years old, bro. It's the first time ever in my life where New Orleans hasn't been represented solely by rapper, dope dealer, killer. If you go down the list, you'll see it. Like, damn. That's New Orleans, bro. So we got the opportunity now to expose our people to something different, to show them something different, to show them like, all right, bro, you can be successful without being a drug dealer. You don't gotta put a limitation on your life and what you can do. Nah, you can be a millionaire. You don't got to go be a killer. You know what I'm saying? There's life outside of New Orleans. We ain't always had that, bro. Bro, when I first came out from prison, bro, I was dealing with this female, bro. She lived in Atlanta. Well, now when I first come on, around about 2011, 2012, I'm dealing with this female lived in Atlanta. And she was from New Orleans, though. She had moved to Atlanta. And I remember her telling me, like, you ever thought about moving from New Orleans? I was like, hell no. I bleed this shit. Why would I ever want to move from here? You can't get this nowhere else. She was like, but you can visit. I'm like, visit? I can visit the other places. You feel me? Move from New Orleans. Why? But then you get exposed to different stuff. And I remember I came out here for a Saints Falcon game to Atlanta. And I was just like, oh, that's different. Wait, them young black dudes, them young black women. This one, the Panameras was the stiff. Like, damn, all I see is Panameras, Bentleys. I wasn't seeing a Rolls Royce like that. It was Panameras, Bentleys, G-Wagons, Ferraris. I was like, damn, what are they doing out there? Then I remember I drove and I saw Buckhead, I saw the house. I was like, damn, what the hell? Bro, in New Orleans, every exit, I told you when I was down there, there's only one exit that don't go to the hood. It's Canal Boulevard. Inside of New Orleans, bro, everything else in New Orleans after Canal Boulevard, because the next thing is Metairie, which is kind of like Sandy Springs, a lower version of Sandy Springs. Everything once Canal Boulevard in New Orleans, all the way to Algiers, bro, every exit you get off in the hood. There's only one exit that don't get off the hood, that's St. Charles. And the thing about St. Charles is the next street behind St. Charles is the hood. Every exit on a New Orleans interstate, bro, St. Bernard, the hood. But that's all you know. Bro, you come out here in the A, bro, you ain't never even gotta go in the hood. You feel me? So we don't even got the exposure. So that's why I told you, be like, bro, I want to get the key to my city. But I gotta go serve them. And I gotta serve them at a high level.